Hey guys, welcome to TCC. My name is Rajarshi and today I'm going to talk about how did I get my GoPro Hero Black 10 so cheaply. This is my GoPro Hero Black 10 that I bought back in June. This is a media mod. This is Volta handheld, and this is the waterproof protective casing. These four I bought together and it came so cheap. Today I'm going to tell you how did I did that. So I decided to buy GoPro when we were traveling in Ladakh last year. That is when I realized that I'm really interested in vlogging. I had my Nikon mirrorless Z50, which is a brilliant gear to have, and it gives you a range of 4K video shooting. But with mirrorless camera, what you need is extra stability. It gives you very good cinematic shots, but you need gimbal for that, and hence it is not ideal for shooting some action or when you are moving somewhere. So that is when I decided to buy. I decided that I need a GoPro to buy. So I planned to buy GoPro. The first thing I did, I searched on the Google that from where I can buy the GoPro, and the GoPro's website came up. So I searched on the GoPro website and I found how the price varies from based on the region. If you are buying from the US, it comes around $350, which is around 28,500 Indian rupees. But when you move to Europe, someone in UK, England, it goes to 349 pounds sterling, which is around 33,900 Indian rupees. Now, if you go to the other countries in Europe, apart from UK, like in Germany, from where I got it, so where there it is around 400 euro, which is around 33,500 INR rupees. And then I searched in two particular countries in Asia. That is, one is Australia, where they have their official customer support for Asia region. There it is around 550 Australian dollar, which comes around 30,000 Indian rupees, which is really cheap. And then I searched in Singapore, and in Singapore they have their official customer support system. So there it is like 540 Singaporean dollar, which is around 32,000 Indian rupees. And finally, I searched in India, but it shows that unfortunately we do not sell directly to your country from our website. You might find your products at a local electronics retailer. So when I get to know that GoPro doesn't sell their products directly in India, so I started to search that what could be the authentic seller of GoPro in our country. So while doing that, I came across a report of Deccan Chronicle, where it says the GoPro partners with Reliance Digital to launch HD cameras in India. But that particular article, where it is mentioned that consumer electronics company GoPro has partnered Reliance Digital to announce their availability of its iconic award-winning HD lifestyle cameras in India. So I went through that particular article, and finally what I noticed is this article is back from 2016, so which is almost 6 years from now. So I wanted to confirm that if still GoPro has that partnership to Reliance Digital. So what I did is I dropped them a tweet. I asked GoPro that can I purchase your product from GoPro website in India? Do you ship to India? To which they replied that sorry, we currently do not ship new orders to your region. So they ask us to check their shipping policy and everything. So that is when I decided, okay, so there is currently no authentic sellers of GoPro products in India. So what could be the best option? So I checked Reliance Digital because they once partnered. So and also it was available in Amazon. GoPro accessories was available in Amazon as well. So I checked Amazon as well. So if you see the main products I had, that is a Hero 10 Black camera, and then a flash memory of 32 GB Extreme SanDisk Extreme that has been given for free. Then the Volta handheld and the media mode, and add to that waterproof protective housing. All this, if I had bought all this together, from Amazon only, it could have cost me around 72,636 to be exact. Here you can see that that Hero GoPro Black, Volta, Media Mod, the protective housing waterproof, and the SanDisk Extreme 32GB micro SD. So all this comes together at 72,636 rupees when I buy this from Amazon. And if I see the same in Reliance Digital, then if you can see, only the camera itself, the Hero 10 Black camera itself costs 51,990 rupees, which is quite expensive compared to the other places. So what I did is, I have a friend in Germany whom I asked that if she can receive the parcel on behalf of me, and so I bought that GoPro from GoPro's official website, but from Germany. So it total cost me something like this, that is 523 euro in total. So if you convert 524 euro in total, that comes around 44,000 rupees. And if you add that subscription that I had to take from GoPro website, that cost me around $50, $49.99. So the total cost came to me is around 573 euro, that is 573.96 euro to be exact, which if you convert in Indian rupees comes around 48,000 or 48,100. So you can see the difference, where it was costing me 72,636 rupees in Amazon, it cost me 2/3 of that when I'm buying it from Germany from GoPro's official website. And in Reliance Digital, the GoPro camera all alone costed 52,000 rupees. But yeah, here is a trick. So if you're buying something outside our country and taking it in India, you have to pay import duty. So you have to make sure, if you're buying something outside, that be it Europe, America, or anywhere else, and that person is bringing it to me, so ask them to unpack it so they can show it to the customs as their own product instead of they're buying something for you. Otherwise you have to pay a heavy import duty. So be careful about that. So one of the reasons why I bought GoPro from GoPro's official website is that you get a heavy discount that you won't get anywhere else. Especially if you are buying for the first time, you have to take the GoPro subscription that costs you around 50 euro, but at the same time it gives you a discount of way more than that, around 200 euro or something more. So it's a win-win situation for you, and also you get a very good amount of storage on GoPro's official cloud. So it saves you space a lot on your personal computer or the devices you use, because GoPro videos takes up a lot of spaces. So yeah, that's why I got my GoPro Hero Black 10 with the accessories so cheap. If you have any questions, please drop your questions in the comment section below, and also please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, do not forget to watch our Tarsa Marsa Trek series, where we have taken shots on GoPro so that you can actually see how good it looks when you're using GoPro. So yeah, see you next week with a new video. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, अलविदा, बाय बाय, खुदा हाफिज़.